In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce or compress a PDF file size in Adobe Acrobat on a Mac. So I have a PDF file open in Adobe Acrobat on my Mac computer, and let's go look at the file size of this. I opened my Finder window, and this poster is currently 1.32 gigabytes, so it's a huge file. So let me show you the best way to reduce the size of this PDF. Go up to File, Save as Other, and go to Optimize PDF. You'll get this PDF optimizer box that appears. And under the settings, select the mobile settings. This is going to change the image size settings for this file, and click OK. And now we're going to rename this with a different file name. I'm just going to put SM at the end to say small. Click Save. All right, so our old file size was 1.32 gigabytes, and our new file size is 18.8 megabytes. So that is much smaller. So that's how you reduce the file size of a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more graphic design and Adobe tutorials. Thanks so much.